Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. If you're looking for a short notice game time snack for Super Bowl, I've got you covered today with buffalo chicken dip. Now this is a delicious dip that's so easy to put together with rotisserie chicken, some cheeses, ranch dressing, or blue cheese if you prefer. And you can serve it with your favorite chips, naan bread, or even some vegetable sticks. Let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the buffalo chicken dip are 1 large rotisserie chicken, whipped cream cheese, Frank's RedHot sauce, ranch dressing. You could also use blue cheese dressing or do half ranch and half blue cheese if you're a blue cheese fan. 1 small white onion finely chopped, 2 to 3 green onions chopped, garlic powder, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, which is optional. And then I'm using 3 kinds of cheeses, cheddar, mozzarella, and Colby Jack. And the total weight of that is about 1.5 pounds. Now I'm going to get started by shredding these cheeses. I have mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and Colby Jack cheeses. You can use a box grater or a food processor. You can also use the pre-shredded bag cheeses. That's just fine. This will give your muscles a workout. Now this is a very popular recipe, and my son even told me that this is the most searched for Super Bowl appetizer recipe on the internet. Now I'm using 6 to 8 ounces of each kinds of these cheeses, and it'll make a large pan of dip. If you wanted to cut this recipe in half, it would work just fine. Now one tip that I didn't do that would have helped with the shredding would be to put your cheese blocks in the freezer for a few minutes, 15-20 minutes, just kind of firm them up and they'll shred better on a box grater. Okay, next I'm going to chop up the onions. You'll need 1 pretty finely chopped small onion. Just add that right in with the cheese. The easy part about this is we're going to be mixing all the ingredients together in the same bowl. I'm going to cut up some of the green part to go in the mix, and then we'll reserve some to go on top. Now we have most of our chopping done. Now we're going to debone our rotisserie chicken. I'm just going through and removing all the bones and skin. Now this is about a 3-pound rotisserie chicken, or so it says on the Costco package. And you don't have to use a rotisserie chicken. I like to use rotisserie chicken because of the added flavor, but you could certainly cook your own chicken, season it how you like it. Okay, I'm just going to go through and chop this chicken up, make sure there's no bones in it, and add it right to my bowl. Okay, before I get in there with my hands, I'm going to put in my seasonings. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, just a couple of dashes of Cajun seasoning. I'm going to start with about 12 ounces of Frank's RedHot sauce. And we'll see if we need more once we get it all mixed up. And then about 12 ounces of your favorite ranch dressing. Now, if you're a blue cheese fan, you might want to put in either a combination of ranch and blue cheese or all blue cheese. It's up to you. And then finally, I have 12 ounces of whipped cream cheese. So the kind that comes whipped in those little tubs. Now this is going to make a lot of dip. So now I'm going to get in there with my hands because I think that's going to be the best way to mix this. Ooh, just got a whiff of that Frank's sauce. That's some potent stuff. And one thing I forgot to do was reserve some cheese for the topping, but I have some extra cheese I will just put on top of there. That's going to be a great texture, I think. Okay, I've sprayed a baking dish with nonstick cooking spray, and I'm just going to add that right in there. That looks so good. And wait till it bakes up and it's warm and bubbly and brown on top. Got some little pieces of mozzarella that didn't shred very well, so I'll just throw those on top. A little bit of frozen pre-shredded cheddar. I'll just put that right on top. I'm just going to do a couple of drizzles of Frank's. A little bit of ranch. And some green onions. All right, that is beautiful. Now we're going to put this into a 375-degree oven for about 30, I'll check it at 30 minutes, but it should be hot, bubbly all the way through, and browned. So we'll be back. Okay, this was in the oven at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. It's nice and bubbly around the edges and the middle, nice and brown on top. We're going to dish it up and give it a taste test. All right, I can hardly wait. Let's do a taste test. Doesn't that look delicious? First, I'm going to try just with a tortilla chip. Oh man, that is absolutely delicious. The spices are perfect. It's not too hot, even though there's a lot of Frank's hot sauce in there. Those 3 cheeses, along with the Frank's hot sauce and the ranch dressing and the cream cheese, oh man, it's just a perfect combination, and it's really beautiful. I'd be proud to serve this on any table. And I guarantee if you make this, you're going to be making it again and again because everyone's going to request it. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Check out some of my other playlists. I have an appetizer playlist, and this will be going right in there. And I'll have a What's for Dinner playlist and a desserts playlist. So check those out. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and share this with your friends. We'll see you next time.